Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to use weapon skin keys in FragPunk. Now first, how do you get weapon skin keys? Well, you can get them through purchasing the battle pass, and as you can see, these are all of the rewards on each day of the battle pass. So on the 6th day of the battle pass, you can get weapon skin keys. However, there's also another way to get weapon skin keys, and that's through the store. So if you click the store here, you can buy 100 weapon skin keys for 266 coins. Now that you have the weapon skin keys, you can go to Arsenal, pick the weapon that you like, go to the weapon appearance, and you will have unlocked some of the skins here. That being said, you don't have to use weapon skin keys to buy weapon skins. As you can see, you can purchase this one for only using coins. And that's how to use weapon skin keys in FragPunk. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.